Okay, we are live. This is my social network. I'm about to give you a tour and just take it apart. Not take it apart, but break it down for you so you can see what I did to get this. So this is the login page. You can create an account if you want to. If you want to create an account, just go be like Bob. Yep, no one called Bob. Make a password. Jim. Jim. The passwords don't match. Jim. Oh, they're too short. Okay, Jim, Jimmy. Okay, no. I'm gonna to call it something else. Make it. This is so bad. Banana and banana. Yep, they match. So I would create an account, but I do not want to do that. So I'm just gonna go back, sign in. What the hell? That was not supposed to be there. You just ruined the whole video. Now I'm gonna have to log in. Okay, so now that I've logged in, you can now see the social network. This is what it looks like. I can go down, see all my posts. Right now it shows all the posts of people who I'm approving, because this is basically kind of like Twitter. It just shows you all the posts of people you're tweeting, that you're approving. These are statements, these are opinions, and these are questions. I can filter them too. I'm gonna filter it to questions. What is this? Cake or cake, cats or dogs? You know the usual. I'm gonna filter it to opinions now. Hard work plus smart work equals phenomenal work. Chicken is nice. I do agree. That was my post, so obviously I would agree. And I bloody love cake, but I caked. You can filter them to statements as well, but you get the point now. You can also filter between your feed only and the world feed, but I'm not going to go to the world feed because that's the feed that everyone who signed to this website has. That's where you can see everyone's posts. So, and obviously this is the internet, so yeah, you know where this is going. I can see all kinds of posts that people post on the internet, and this is unfiltered. I have no moderators, So I'm not gonna get into that. So I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna go back to everything. Now I'm gonna go down, and I'm going to go into Get Wrecked. Get Wrecked website. Get Wrecked profile page. Yeah. So this is where you can see his profile page. These are the latest users. Notifications here. I'm gonna search for stuff. This functionality works, but like sometimes it shows duplicates. So I'm gonna search Bailey. Now I'm gonna click Bailey. I'm gonna go to the profile. Or I could just search Bailey. See that? See the duplicate? Yeah. So yeah, this comes up here. Or I could just search for a post and say This is probably gonna come up with all the annoying posts on the world feed, but yeah. Okay, yeah. So this is cool. Yeah. So it works. It search for all the posts that have the word "the" in them. I'm gonna search for my. Just joined my cousin's social network. That's my cousin. Shout out to Isaac. And yeah, that's about it. So the messages here. There's the messages. They work in real time. Yo, I just sent a message. That's how it works. You can move it around. There's a lot of functionality here. It took like a month to make this because I was learning PHP. Yeah, see that? See how I just flickered? That's because it's refreshing using Ajax to show the latest posts. I am going to have to hurry up because I don't want to make this video too long. This is the first take, but obviously it might take way more takes than the first one. This is my cousin. Yeah. This is a chat that I had with Katie. Spam. No reply. She didn't reply to me. So sad. So yeah. That's that. So there's a lot of other functionalities here. Like I go to silver button, approve this person, and then disprove him. And then yeah. Well, I could just block him. Now he's blocked. I blocked this person, and I can't see any other posts, but I can unblock them. And now I can see their posts. Blocks. Now I can't see their posts. Now I'm gonna unblock. Now I can see their posts. But obviously they haven't got any posts, as you can see here. But yeah, that's a basic rundown of the social network. Probably there's some more features, but I don't really want to get into them too much right now. But yeah, this is about it. It lists all my approvers and all the people who are approving me. Because yeah, like I said before, this site talks about approvers and this site refers to followers and people you're following as approvers and people who approved you. So, how does this work? Now I'm about to get back in. Now I'm gonna get to the back side of how this works. But before I get to that, I'm going to show you where it came from. Now, this is the look for the first one. Where is it? I can't find it. I didn't even open it, did I? Nope, I didn't open it. Now I have to go here. There we go. Go to home page. Bruh. Oh wait, hold on. I know why. Because I put the register page and the login form onto the same file. So yeah, this is the login page. This is the register page. This is the search results page, where you search stuff and the users come up and then the posts come down there. This is the main page. This is the profile page of your own profile, and this is someone else's profile page. And there's different layers on it for different users. Let me see if I can try and make this a little bit. Oh, yep. So that's that, and then yeah. So this is what it is. And I'll have all kinds of dialog boxes coming up with the white overlay, that was supposed to be the picture, but obviously I didn't add it in like in Twitter. You can click on the picture, then it'll expand it and it'll become bigger. But I didn't add that, so that's that. What else is there? Yeah, that's about it. It doesn't get much any more interesting than that. So yeah, now I want to get into the plan. Wait, should I leave it to the end or should I do it now? No, I'll do it now. So this is the plan. This is basically what I've wanted to make. You can see here, I was making a social network to amplify the voices of the people who they view are important. No, sorry. A social network to amplify the voices of the people who What? Okay, read that. I don't even know. I can't read it myself. Okay, so I was trying to focus on simple design, but obviously I didn't want to take too long. End of project comment LOL, because it took longer than I anticipated. It took a month. I thought it would just take like a week, maximum 3 weeks, but nah, it took about like 5 weeks, maybe 5 weeks tops. And yeah, power to the people. So yeah, these are all the functionalities that I wanted to add in, and I removed all the functionality everything that has a line through it didn't make the cut. As you can see, the profile picture, the large profile picture view. Now that didn't make the cut. Ajax username availability SVG tick and cross. Like when you register a new account, it was have like an SVG tick to show that it's available. But instead of doing that, I just took the easy route and said I'll just have a little text thing coming up saying yes, it's available, or no, it's not available. Yeah, desperate times don't call for desperate measures. Verified badge and all that stuff. Yeah, you can read through it. You can slow the video down and read through all that. Yeah, these are the pages, the plans of the pages. These are the design conventions, and these are the sites I got my ideas from. Not every idea, but like the design idea. I got inspired by the dark interface on this. Not for any reason, so it's not dark for any reason. It's just dark because I just thought that it would look kind of cool, like the latest line of Adobe Adobe Creative Cloud products. I like the dark interface. Um, and like the light buttons here. I like the contrast. What else? There is also, yeah, these are the data. This is the database stuff. I'll show you the database now. This is the database here. Approvers, blockers, messages, notifications, posts, profiles, replies, users. That's what it looks like. Yeah, this is the site that I kind of got my inspiration for the buttons on. Obviously, I didn't use every single button, but I just looked at the site and then just customized this. It's a really good site. Like, changes the color of the button, change the hue, saturation, change the color. So yeah, it just gave me the ability to check out the different colors and be able to get CSS for it straight away. But it turns out that because I wanted to use color transitions, so instead of using gradient, I used box shadows. But I don't know how to do it here though. I think it's because it's just a button. I'm not sure though. But anyways, this is the other side, the dark interface. Much darker than mine, as you can see. Mine isn't that dark, but this is way darker. The background I think is pitch black, but mine is like just dark grey with a texture if you look closely. Yeah. That's about that for the design, and now we shall get straight into the code. Okay, now this is the CSS, bunch of CSS, up to 2,000 lines of CSS. It's not that bad, trust me, because if you enjoy coding, it's not that bad. What else is there? There's also the JavaScript. Yep, the JavaScript. All the JavaScript in one file. I know it's bad practice. Yes. This is just a disclaimer for all the pro developers out there. I know this is quite very bad practice that I did, but it was all just a learning experience for me. I just wanted to get everything done. I wanted to get everything made, and yeah, it did the job. Got the job done. Everything went superb. So I'm super cool. I'm super happy. I'm super satisfied. Yeah, obviously I'm not gonna do this again. I'm gonna obviously learn from my mistakes and do it better next time. But yeah, so yeah, this is the JavaScript. I remember playing this for so long because literally, basically the whole social network runs on PHP and JavaScript, and I can just remember just jumping in and out of this and going into the PHP file and back into this file. It was fun though. Yeah. Let's see how long this goes. I'm not even gonna scroll down all the way manually. Whoops, just jump back up. Yeah, almost 2,000 lines, so not exactly, but almost. A nice HTML code function. Stack Overflow, thank you very much. Okay. Ajax, this is the Ajax file. It's much simpler because it's only Ajax. Nothing spectacular. Just ways to link the JavaScript to the PHP files. Ajax is really, really good. All the funky, spectacular functionality you see on my website, it's just all courtesy of Ajax. Ajax is real cool. So let's use the clicking. I'm gonna have to just go all the way back to the start. That's Notepad++ for you. Okay, so home. This is the home PHP page. This is the what's this one? Oh yeah, this is the when you signed in. Sorry. Yeah, this is the index page where you first sign in. PHP at the top, like a proper rookie. But no, it's actually okay to have PHP at the top. I think. I'm not sure. I think it's okay. But yeah, you'll see a lot of bad practice in here. But well, this is just me getting my foot in the door with PHP. Like I've already mentioned that this is just like a learning experience for me. So I was learning. Okay, just look at this. I have a PHP tag here. Actually, no, that's fine. I've seen that before. I've seen this before. When you have a PHP tag here, and a closing tag, and then you have more PHP directly underneath that, and you have an opening tag again. Yeah, I've seen that before. Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, so that's that. This is the profile page PHP, and there's so much more PHP here. Like, I'll show you the files, what it looks like. These are the pages. Then we have the PHP that is not on the page. It's just a PHP script to help the functions do some stuff. The friendly date for the dates and stuff. I actually got that off from, I think I searched on Google and got it off, what is it called, Stack Overflow, just for the sake of convenience. And again, Stack Overflow is really good. I recommend you try that out, guys. So yeah, these are all the PHP things. These are the page contents that use PHP. Again, I know, bad practice, but it gets the job done. Obviously, I'm going to work on my skills in terms of fitting in to the de facto standards, so that I obviously can work in a team and we can all be happy, rather than just me making sloppy code using shortcuts. I'm not saying I use shortcuts. I'm just saying, but I am saying that I didn't do as well as a professional developer would perhaps want me to, simply because of the way I did my code. But anyways, that's enough of that. So let's go on to the code. So yeah, that's about it. This is the hide page. If this is not on the page, don't run the script. Yeah, basically, some pages in the PHP are not okay. So long story, but some pages in this script in this social network aren't on can get access without you actually being on a page. So what I had to do was make this an actual script to say, if this file is not on a page, then do not run the script on this file. And by doing that, I managed to make sure that even if you access it when it's not on a page, that it will not run. It will have no effect. That's basically what it does. No big deal. Look how small the file is. It's no big deal. But yeah, obviously check out the use of global variables. Yeah, we use a bunch of sessions. Again, I'm going on about the lack of what's it called? Quality control, is it? I'm not sure what the professionals call it, but I'll get there one day. Yeah, so I use sessions all over the place. Everything is sessions. Every darn is sessions, man. Every darn. This is the SQL page. Page view script. Oh, there's so much in this. I'm literally not gonna go through it all. Literally, there's so much in this, but you get the point. Oh yes, thank God. Serendipity. I've managed to find it by accident. This is the beastiest SQL query I've ever made. Literally, there's some queries in this thing that took me days, took me hours, queries alone. But again, I thank Stack Overflow for helping me find the answers. Like, literally, no, I didn't copy and paste it. No, I didn't copy and paste. No, what I did was actually had to understand the logic of SQL, because I was learning MySQL and PHP at the same time. So I had to actually learn the ways of the SQL connoisseur. Is that the word? Is that the correct word? Yeah, the SQL connoisseur and PHP connoisseurs. Hopefully I use that word in the right context, because if I didn't, I'm gonna feel kind of stupid watching this over. But forgive me if I didn't. Forgive me, please, just in case. Anyways, moving on. So yeah, that's the end of that file. This is the chat file. Yeah. It's actually not even as hard as you think it is. It's just about understanding various different abstract concepts as well as you can, so that you can actually do it yourself. That's basically what you want to do. You want to actually sit down and focus on a few different abstract concepts and find out ways that you can actually put them together. That's basically what you have to do. So yeah, there's a lot of stress in this. Well, I wasn't really stressed. I was just like more annoyed the fact that every programmer goes through this. Like, something's not working, and you don't know why it's not working, and you think the code is against you. You think the code actually doesn't like you. But like, the reality is, you've actually done something to yourself. You actually done something to the code, so the code doesn't work. But yeah, yeah, it's just the way, just the life of a programmer. So that's about it for the code. There's much more I could show you, but trust me, the video will be too long. I literally don't know how long it is right now. Let me check. It doesn't say anywhere. Oh my god, it doesn't say anywhere. Okay, that's not cool. That's not cool. Okay, let's move on to the next part. I've got a piece of paper here telling me what I should do next, and I'm about to do the, yeah, that's about it really. I've shown you everything. I've shown you the site, told you how it works. Let me make a post. Hello YouTube, YouTube or YouTube? Yeah, YouTube. It's right here. So YouTube, hello YouTube. I'm making a statement. Is that a statement? Or was that a question? Is that opinion? Nah, it's a statement. That's the thing with this site. I gave 3 different options. You can make a statement, question, or opinion. Just click that. And I made a statement. Hello YouTube. Now, if you're on YouTube and you see this, sign up to this site. Come to this post and be like, yo, that's what you gotta do. That is what you gotta do. Sign up to the site and be like, yo, I saw this on YouTube. And yeah. So anyways, yeah, if you've got any questions, slap them down below. If you want to see more, slap another comment under that comment that you just posted, or above the comment, because the comments are list. Actually, YouTube comments are a mess. I don't know where it'll be, but yeah, slap a comment somewhere, and I'll get to you. Yeah, that's about it. This video probably dragged on because it was the first take, but take it or leave it. Yeah. I'm just looking for anything else I could have added in. Yeah, no, yeah. If you're a developer and you want to make any PHP social networks or anything with PHP or MySQL, just give it a shot. Just try it. You don't even try it. You will do. You will succeed as long as you work hard. Hard work plus smart work equals phenomenal work. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, this is me, Matthew, signing out. Peace.